Hi everyone, welcome to SASER classes. In this video, draw an equilateral triangle with its all sides touching the circle of radius 2.5 centimeter in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us measure here 2.5 centimeter length with the help of compass and scale. Then putting the compass here and taking any point as a center, so with radius 2.5 and drawing a circle. Now this is the center of the circle, so taking here O as a center of the circle. Next, drawing a radius, so now taking a point P here on the circumference. Next, drawing 120-degree angle on the radius OP with the help of protractor. So first marking here 120-degree angle. Okay, so now joining this to get 120-degree angle. Okay, now taking here point Q. Next, drawing 120-degree angle on the radius OQ with the help of protractor. So first marking here 120 degree, then joining this to get 120 degree angle, and this is another radius of the circle. Okay, so taking here point R. Next, marking the angles with arc, so taking any length and drawing arcs by this way, and it looks good, that's why I am drawing arcs by this way. Now here angle POR equal 120 degree. Next angle POQ equal 120 degree and angle QOR equal 120 degree. So total 360. Next, drawing a perpendicular line at the point P on the radius OP with the help of protractor. So first marking here 90 degree, then joining this, and it is a perpendicular line. So it is a perpendicular line at the point P on the radius P. Now by same way, drawing another perpendicular line at the point Q with the help of protractor. So joining this, so this is also a perpendicular line. Last, drawing another perpendicular line at the point R with the help of protractor. So first marking 90 degree, then joining this, so this is also a perpendicular line. So here the three perpendicular line meet at 3 point A, B, C. Okay, now measuring this angle with the help of protractor, so this is perfectly a 60 degree angle. Now marking all the angle with the help of compass, so drawing arcs by this way, and it looks good, that's why I am drawing arcs by this way. Okay, so this is perfect. So all the angle is 60 degree because we know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is equal and 60 degree. Next, measuring the length of each side equal 7 centimeter approximately. So this is also 7 centimeter approximately, and this one also 7 centimeter approximately. Okay, so write down the equal symbol on three sides by this way. So therefore here ABC, so ABC is the required equilateral triangle. So by this way you can draw an equilateral triangle. So that's all. Thanks for watching.